electric handheld. It is like having elbow grease on demand. You can get in those crevices with these tools. You can get your grout nice and clean and shiny, and you can get inside those hard to reach places on your grill. Even some water bottles, and here we're selling it today at this clearance price of $24.99. You can get it home on Easy Pay for $8.33. That is item number V83329. Whoopsies, they don't want to stay up. And did I mention it comes with 4 heads? So you get one that's like a cone, get one for your bottles, and one for your dishes even. And here to tell us more about it, Jack Yeiser, welcome.
Hi, thank you for having me. And it is so amazing to be able to bring the handheld scrubber to everyone here at home, because what makes this so amazing is kind of like what you said, it's that elbow grease on demand. You get so much more power and scrubbing force out of one of these than you do out of just normal use. So like even if you use the basic, pardon me, even if you use the basic sponge attachment, right, you're going to get more power out of this. So it starts on high speed. This is like a really nice velocity style, but we also are one of the only handheld scrubbers to have multiple gears. So you can go high, medium, or low. Now I love the low setting because when you're really getting into the nitty gritty of your oven or of your pots and pans, what you need is something with a low gear. Now this means that even no matter how hard I push, it's not going to stop rotating. Sometimes these cordless handheld scrubbers that you see them elsewhere online, when you try and put any force into them, they actually will stop and seize up because their motors aren't geared low. They aren't powerful like the Teko handheld scrubber is.
All right. Well, you're holding right there in your hand. That's the grapefruit color, which I love.
Correct.
And we have that one on QVC.com. I'm holding the sky blue here. This white one is called the graphite. And over here to my left, this is, oopsies, this is the cobalt. So Jack, we were talking on the phone earlier today, and so tell me a little bit about your family. So you're from a family of inventors. You've been inventing, your family's been inventing since the 1800s, and you saw a space in the bottle cleaning market.
Correct. So this is what you're seeing right here. So we saw an opportunity because what's getting popular right now across everyone's stockings everywhere is the accessory bottles. Whether you have the Stanleys, the Yetis, any of those accessory bottles, those refillable bottles, what we saw about them is, yes, most people use them for water, but you know, my mom personally, she likes to put a green smoothie in there. And the problem that always comes in is hers has like a little lip. Right. So you know what I'm talking about, where you can't quite reach in there with your hand because it's a little too tight. And the problem is that she could never clean her smoothie all the way out of there. She'd have to let it soak for like 30 minutes. So we invented this bottle brush piece for power scrubber attachment because we wanted her to be able to get in there and clean out her bottles. She always would have them lying down, or she would have to put them into the dishwasher and get them out and hand dry them. It was always really inconvenient, and she just wanted to have her bottle back. So that's why, at least for my mother, my dad and I invented a bottle brush for the handheld scrubber. And then the other factor was, again, that gearing, that gear ratio. So you have more power, because we all know about those little things, the pots and pans that have those little pieces of grime that just will never come up off of them. That's why you need the low gearing. That's why you need the extra power. Or even you can use the cone head, because one of the things that we've noticed is a lot of times there gets to be buildup wherever there's water. There's like a residue buildup. And this is a great way to get the fine spaces, whether it be a crease in the grout or around your stovetop. I mean, you can see the difference it makes on that stainless steel. Just polishes it right up. And then use the bottle brush on a vase or a vase, I guess, if you want to say it that way and be fancy. But it's a great way because they're oddly shaped all the time. So it's a great way to clean out any mineral deposits left over from flowers. And again, just use it anywhere. This is a great way to get really tough messes and really tough grime off of your favorite surfaces. So if your oven, let's say, I don't know, maybe you just cooked a chicken. There's I said the last time we cooked a chicken in my oven, it made a massive mess. And so we needed to break out one of these. Or in the event that your husband forgets to wipe away all the water deposits from the shower, that's a great way to go and get those excess mineral deposits off your shower glass.
All right. And I just unscrewed the back of this right now, and that's where you charge it.
Yes,
so
that's the
how
charging
long does
port.
it take to charge?
It's very fast to charge, and it'll get you all the use that you need so you can clean up all the grime and grit all around your house. You're really going to want to use this for like spots moments, because normally you're just going to use normal cleaning supplies or normal cleaning methods. But when you get into something and you just can't quite get the grime out, or you just want to do something a little bit faster, that's what this is so great for because it's so compact. It'll just sit in your kitchen cabinets and oh, there we go. It'll just sit in your kitchen cabinets, and honestly, it can be tucked away nice and clean and easy, and it's fast, easy, extra cleaning power.
All right, wonderful. I'm going to show the colors. I'm holding right here the sky. This is the cobalt. And this is what we're calling graphite. It's like a white with gray. And then we have the grapefruit as well. Talk to me about the different heads. So this is the cone one that I have on here. And then you showed, you have the bottle one. What else?
Correct. Yes, and then you have your flat scrubber as well. These are these two I'd say are definitely your grittier kind of bristle brushes. So these are your standard bristle brushes. They're pretty good for getting off those tough messes, things that are caked on like on your pots, pans, things of that nature, or like on your stove tops. If you have any like greasy messes that just are never coming off of your countertops or stove tops, these will be great for that. Then you have a sponge head. Now the sponge head is nice. It's got a soft, so when you get into it, it's just like a sponge, and you get in there and you get a nice, it's got the more of a scotch top to it. So it's again good for getting off difficult messes. And then obviously the bottle brush, this is the one that you can only get with the Teko handheld scrubber. And this one is specifically meant for those large bottles or a vase or something that's difficult because you can't quite get your hand in there to clean it out, but you want to get in there and get some soap scrubbed up there. This is the best option for that.
Thank you so much, Jack. It was great having you. This is the Teko Cordless electric handheld scrubber on clearance for $24.99. Item number V83329. Give us a call to get yours. All right. Rachel, what you got?
I just wanted to give everyone a little look at something really quickly because it's final quantities and no reorder on these, and they've been